Guys, good morning. We are now here in Boracay. Yeah.
Better be here. You said right here for sure?
Boracay. I don't know if you can check in early. Ay, mama. Guys, good morning. We are now here in love, Boracay. For how many, kuan lang? How many times that we pass this one? How many times we pass this one? 4 times?
Huh?
4 times na?
Yeah, 4 times.
Yeah, we passed this one 4 times because we're bike riders, so we always want to have a bike in every island. This time we can't bring the bike, so that's why we are late. We are late lang. Yay, we are here in Boracay. So from Batangas, we hop on a boat or ferry all the way here, and then is that a package? Was that what kind of package? No? It's like a mabuhay guest package for like travel from Katiklan Port to here in Boracay. So we paid 375 per person, and that includes the terminal fee, the ferry going to Boracay, and also by land, like from port to our hotel. That's what we paid, 375 pesos. I don't know if that's expensive or not because we don't have a any search. Di ba?
I think with the parking, the whole ordeal will cost us 1,000 pesos.
Yeah,
So
we also
25 bucks is not too bad.
yeah, we also left our bike down there, car parking for 100 pesos for overnight. And yeah, we're here in Boracay. This is my early breakfast, first breakfast in Boracay. Char. Love, my first breakfast. Yeah, let's eat. Hi guys, good morning. We are now here in our hotel in Boracay. Finally, we check in early, like 10 a.m. Supposed to be 3 p.m. for the check-in. Good thing they allow us to check in. And yeah, we are here in Henan, and I will give you a room tour. That's the main door. We are here, by the way, in Henan Lagoon Resort. And then this is the toilet room. Bathroom, actually, bathroom. That's the shower. Mirror. Look, we have a bathtub!
Yeah, that was the upgrade.
Yeah, finally. At least it's nice. That's the bathtub. Guys, they also have like, they have cotton buds, shower cup, shavings, dental, moisturizer, lotion, yes. Relaxing bath foam, conditioner, and shampoo. Yay, I'm gonna use this one. Not this one. This one, yay, for this. Yeah. And next is the... Oh, they have umbrella as well, love. They have a bathrobe.
Yeah?
And I don't think they have the bag. I'm hoping they have a bag. And this is the full-size mirror. Another table, TV. We have two beds. We have two beds. Shower in the other side. Diba? Grabe. Grabe. So, then they have two beds. Queen bed and one single bed. Well, they had a couch. And then another mirror. And this is our view. This is our view outside. We're facing the pool side. Yay! Pool. Yeah. This is our room. Super nice. Fancy. Bahala pobre. Basta hilas. Do you know that word? Bahala pobre. Basta hilas?
No.
I don't know how to explain it in
But we
Bisaya.
finally get to stay in the Hanan anyway. We always
Yeah,
wanted to.
finally we stayed in Hena. We were like always passing this one like in Bohol. Where else, love?
I think that's it.
Palawan, they don't have it. Yeah, this is our hotel.
Maria.
This is like you have to follow me.
No, how am I going to follow you?
Hi guys, we are now here in the pool. This is the pool, and there's also pool back there. So they gave us a two keys for this is the for the towel access. So they're gonna give us separate towel for the pool and the beaches. And yeah, we get the towels from there. So let's go into here. Guys, sobrang lamig dito guys. Super cold. Full body, not a beach body. That's a room guys. Down there.
Let's go to Soleil and go home. I can do this all night.
Hulog sa una.